Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Welcome to this exciting video on making money in aviation. Whether you're a pilot, an aviation enthusiast, or just someone looking for a new job opportunity, this video will provide you with valuable insights and tips on how to earn money in the aviation industry. From being a pilot to maintaining aircraft, there are countless ways to profit from this thriving industry. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how you can turn your love for aviation into a lucrative business opportunity. Pilots. Making money as a pilot is a dream come true for many aviation enthusiasts. Not only does flying an aircraft come with an immense sense of accomplishment, but it also has the potential to be a lucrative career. One of the most common ways pilots make money is by working for an airline. As an airline pilot, you can expect to earn a competitive salary with excellent benefits. The amount of money you earn will depend on your level of experience in the airline you work for, but you can expect to earn anywhere from $50,000 to over $200,000 per year. Another option for pilots looking to make money is to work as a corporate pilot. Corporate pilots fly private planes for companies, business executives, and high-net-worth individuals. This type of work can be very lucrative, with some pilots earning six-figure salaries. For those who prefer to work independently, becoming a freelance pilot can be an excellent way to make money. Freelance pilots work on a contract basis, flying for individuals or companies on a per-job basis. This type of work can offer more flexibility and higher pay rates, but it requires the pilot to be self-motivated and actively seek out new opportunities. Pilots can also make money by providing flight instruction to new pilots. Many flight schools hire experienced pilots to teach aspiring pilots how to fly. This can be a rewarding career path that allows you to share your passion for aviation with others while making a living. Finally, pilots can also make money by participating in air shows, aerial photography, and other aviation-related events. These types of gigs can offer a unique and exciting way to earn money while doing something you love. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money as a pilot, and the aviation industry offers a wide range of career opportunities. Whether you choose to work for an airline, fly corporate planes, or work independently as a freelance pilot, being a pilot can be a rewarding and lucrative career choice. Flight attendant. Flight attendants play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and comfort of passengers during air travel. But did you know that they can also earn a good income while doing so? One way flight attendants can make money is through competitive salaries offered by major airlines. With experience, flight attendants can earn higher salaries and can even become senior flight attendants or lead attendants. Another way is through tips and bonuses, which can be earned through excellent customer service and going above and beyond the call of duty. Additionally, some airlines offer profit-sharing programs, which allow employees to receive a percentage of the company's profit. Flight attendants can also receive benefits such as healthcare, retirement plans, and travel discounts. In fact, one of the biggest perks of being a flight attendant is the ability to travel for free or at discounted rates. For those looking to earn additional income, some flight attendants work part-time or seasonal jobs during their off days. They can also take advantage of their layovers by picking up additional shifts or exploring their layover city as a tour guide, or by renting out their accommodations on air. In some cases, flight attendants may also have the opportunity to work for private jets, which often offer higher salaries and more personalized working environments. Flight attendant salaries vary depending on factors such as the airline, years of experience, and geographic location. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual wage for flight attendants was $56,000 in May 2020. However, entry-level flight attendants may earn significantly less, typically starting at around $25,000 to $30,000 per year. On the other hand, experienced and senior flight attendants may earn over $80,000 per year. Overall, being a flight attendant can be a financially rewarding career path, with the potential for growth and additional income opportunities. Air traffic controller. Air traffic controllers play a vital role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of air travel. They are responsible for managing and directing the movement of aircraft in and out of airports and through the airspace. As an air traffic controller, you can earn a competitive salary. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual wage for air traffic controllers in the United States was $130,420 as of May 2020. The top 10% of air traffic controllers earned more than $176,320 per year. To become an air traffic controller, you must complete specialized training and pass a series of exams. The training typically takes several months to complete and includes both classroom instruction and on-the-job training. Additionally, air traffic controllers must meet strict medical and security requirements. Air traffic controllers typically work in airport control towers, approach control facilities, or en route centers. They work in a highly demanding and fast-paced environment and must be able to handle stress and pressure while maintaining focus and attention to detail. Overall, a career as an air traffic controller can be both financially rewarding and personally fulfilling. If you are interested in pursuing this career path, be sure to research the specific requirements and training programs in your region or country. Aircraft technician. Aircraft technicians, also known as aircraft mechanics, are professionals responsible for ensuring that aircraft are in good working order, safe to fly, and meet regulatory requirements. They are highly skilled individuals who play a critical role in the aviation industry. If you have an interest in aviation and enjoy working with your hands, a career as an aircraft technician may be an excellent option for you. As an aircraft technician, you can expect to earn a competitive salary, depending on your experience and the type of aircraft you work on. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual wage for aircraft mechanics and service technicians was $66,440 in May 2020. However, this figure can vary based on factors such as location, certification level, and the employer. Aircraft technicians can work in a variety of settings including airports, maintenance and repair facilities, and manufacturing plants. They may work on a wide range of aircraft, from small private planes to commercial airliners and military aircraft. The complexity of the aircraft and the specific systems they work on can also affect their pay rate. To become an aircraft technician, you will need to complete an FAA-approved training program and obtain a certification. This typically involves completing a combination of classroom instruction and hands-on training, followed by passing a written and practical exam. Some employers may require additional certifications, such as those issued by the aircraft manufacturers or the military. Once you are certified, you can begin working as an aircraft technician and start earning a competitive salary. As you gain experience and develop your skills, you may be able to advance to more senior roles and earn higher pay. Some aircraft technicians may also choose to specialize in a specific area of aircraft maintenance, such as avionics or power plants, which can lead to even greater earning potential. In summary, working as an aircraft technician can be a rewarding and lucrative career path for those with an interest in aviation and a passion for hands-on work. With the right training and certifications, you can earn a competitive salary and play a critical role in keeping aircraft safe and operational. Aircraft ground handler. Working as an aircraft ground handler can be a lucrative career choice in the aviation industry. Ground handlers are responsible for performing a variety of tasks on the ground to ensure that the aircraft is ready for departure or arrival. This includes tasks such as loading and unloading cargo and baggage, refueling the aircraft, directing aircraft on the runway, and performing routine maintenance checks. One of the primary ways to make money as an aircraft ground handler is by working for an airline or airport. These organizations offer competitive salaries and benefits packages, along with opportunities for career growth and advancement. Many airlines also offer additional bonuses and incentives for employees who perform well or meet certain performance metrics. In addition to working for airlines and airports, ground handling companies also provide services to aircraft operators. These companies offer a range of services such as baggage handling, cargo loading and unloading, and ground support equipment maintenance. Working for a ground handling company can provide opportunities for flexible schedules and competitive pay. Another way to make money as an aircraft ground handler is by working as a contractor. Contractors provide a range of services to airlines and airports, including baggage handling, aircraft cleaning, and ground support equipment maintenance. Contractors are often paid on a per-task or hourly basis, and may have the flexibility to work with multiple clients and on a freelance basis. In conclusion, working as an aircraft ground handler can provide opportunities for competitive salaries and benefits packages, along with opportunities for career growth and advancement. Whether working for an airline, airport, ground handling company, or as a contractor, ground handlers play an essential role in keeping aircraft operations running smoothly and efficiently. Those working in the aviation industry must be willing to work in a team environment, follow safety procedures, and maintain high standards. With the right skills and qualifications, the aviation industry offers exciting career opportunities for those passionate about aviation. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.